title is Ant and the Grasshopper. Oh, the ant and the grasshopper. Oh, look, there's two pictures. Let's go to the first picture, guys. On a beautiful summer day, an ant was hard at work. Oh, an ant was hard working during summer. The ant was dragging grains about with great effort. A grasshopper was relaxing, singing and watching her. Oh, the ant was busy working and the grasshopper was relaxing, not helping him. Can't enjoy, said the grasshopper as he played his guitar. I am busy storing food for the winter, said the ant. It is good if you to save some food for winter, the ant said. Why worry about winter, said the grasshopper. What is the ant gonna answer to him? Let's see. The ant walked away with her grain. Grasshopper continued playing his guitar and singing. The ant continued working, and the grasshopper was playing guitar and singing. Summer faded and the winter came. Grasshopper had no start food. Finally, the winter came, but the grasshopper didn't have food. What the grasshopper gonna do? Wait, I don't know. So he went to the ant. The grasshopper begged the ant to give him some food. So the grasshopper went to the ant, and the grasshopper asked her for food. Is the ant gonna give him? But the ant did not give him any food. Why didn't you store some food like me? The ant said. The grasshopper realized that it's best to prepare for the future. Moral is work hard today and you can reap the benefits tomorrow. That's the end. Bye guys. Did you enjoy the story, guys? See you next time with new stories. Bye. And subscribe my channel, like my video, press the bell notification, and share my videos. Bye. Have summer. Oh, and welcome to Meshnee channel.